What is up? I'm Evan, and today we're talking about my Mafia cooking game. But first, smack that subscribe button, smackers. Ugh. Okay, but you might be wondering, why does the title say that I launched my Alpha 1.0 if the game doesn't even look like it's even close to done? And to that I'd say, are you freaking stupid? That's why it's an alpha. So let's talk about what I did to get there. On Monday I made the wave system. Now, before you get your hopes up, I didn't make the cool wave system that other game devs make with the pirate ships and all that. I just made a little resource that controls the flow of the level. The way this works is each level gets one of these resources. As the game goes on, different events happen like spawning an enemy. When it wants to do this, it grabs information from its resource and uses it to do the event. Anyways, after that little Godot plug, I called it for the day. Today I finished working on the menus for the game. This is the main menu, the loss and the win menus, and the pause menu. Yes, before it didn't have a pause menu when it paused. It doesn't look like much, but it was actually a lot of work. I had to make new scenes, I had to make a function to easily switch between them, I had to write logic to know when. Not gonna lie, Wednesday was pretty boring. Most of the day I spent at work and school, and the little time I had, I spent fixing bugs. Look, if you thought game development was all sunshine and margaritas on a yacht, then you've picked the wrong side of tech.
I gotta do it, man.
Because here, we actually have to do work. So Thursday was the day. After getting home from work, I rushed over to the computer, booted up Godot, and just started hammering away features. In reality, I just finished up a couple things and sent an email. I did only have friends on the email list because nobody else wanted to join the playtest. No, it's okay. It's okay, I'll be fine.
Oh, boo-hoo! Let me play a sad song for you on the world's smallest violin.
Anyways, you should join the Discord so that you can get access to the playtest and other project updates. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.